Back here on John's Bird, I'm pulling out the new inoperational pump. I disconnected the inlet fuel line and there is nothing at all even in it. So that tells me this pump ain't sucking. It's kind of like my ex. Anyway. So I'm going to undo this hard line, get the 2 bolts out. Already got our vacuum hoses up. Away we go. So I just cracked the line down here. I'm getting, that's gas. It might be from what we had up here in the bowl, which would make sense. Where's the bowl? There's the bowl. So I'm gonna pull the pump off right now. All right, pump's out. Gonna go to the table. Okay, so I put it in the vise. And I think it's mislabeled, boys and girls, because out seems like it's in, and in seems like it's out with the way it's sucking and blowing. Oh, God. Well, that would make sense. I might swap these and see if it's labeled backwards. Not gonna hurt anything. It'll take a minute. All right, we're all hooked up, so let's see what we got. Primed it, got it fired up. Oh, look, our fuel bowl is full. Wow! Would you look at that? These motherfuckers from the factory have it cast in backwards. Of course, we ran out up there. But look, that bowl is full, boys and girls. Interesting. All right, so now we're not getting fuel. Oh, maybe? Maybe, come on. Nope. Okay, so now we're not getting fuel into the carb. So I'm wondering if the needle and seat is sticking. Okay, just for S&Gs. So we've got a full bowl, but now it ain't coming out. No. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So I guess we'll check here next to see if that's over, if we have fuel, because the bowl is full, so I would assume that we have fuel going in. So just work our way down. That's all we do. Just work our way down. Just for shits and giggles. Here's the key. I'm putting my finger. I'm gonna put my finger over. Sorry, crappy video, but that makes more sense. So we have a full fuel bowl, but nothing coming out. And I'm sure we don't have anything coming in. Well, that line feels like it's got fuel in it. I might just disconnect it from here and find out. Yay, chasing fuel. Ridiculous. Right, so now that I've reprimed it again, I'm gonna fire it up. I put this end up. Barely sucking. So that tells me fairly excellent. It's sucking on my fingers, but not much. So the arm is wrong on that pump. It's gotta be it. As you can see, the carb isn't even trying to suck in the fuel, but it doesn't matter. So it's barely sucking, which means it's barely blowing. Again, sounds like an X. So I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna disassemble it because it is backwards from the factory. That's one problem. But it's like the arm either is incorrect or isn't long enough, and it's just not pushing down far enough. Because when I have it on the vise and I do it, I mean, it'll suck your fingertip right into it. So, that being said, I'm going to handle that.